Hey guys, what's going on? Adam here with Indy Farm Life. Welcome back to the channel. That is not small. Got a pretty trashy day here today. It's about 45 or 46 degrees right now. The wind's blowing decently. And we had 3/10 of an inch of rain last night, so things are a little bit sloppy. Anyway, I'm gonna grab the backhoe and continue clearing like we were a couple weeks ago. Got a few more trees to dig out, a couple to cut. The ones that I need to cut may not happen today because, like I said, it's pretty windy, but with the backhoe on the ones that need dug out and the bottom root ball being the counterweight, those go over pretty slow, so I'm not too worried about those, but let's get after it. I'm just kind of in a hurry to get things done, running out of time. Got a lot of other things on the docket this spring, so I don't know if I'll even get a chance to cut the tops off of these things and really clean them up like I should. Who knows though, maybe Nick and Chris will show up and do that for me. Wouldn't that be nice? How about this shiny new cylinder we got in there, ladies and gentlemen? I didn't video that process, but it's on there. So we got to dig out that one there in front of me. We were on the fence about whether to dig that with a 580 or just cut it and leave it there for when they dig the basement. Let the excavator take care of it. I think the 580 can pop it out. Just got to cut all the roots. This might be a one tree video, taking a minute to get through this thing here, but I got most of the roots popped on it. Let me show you guys. Some sizable roots in this thing, and you can see in the video how far out I had to chase them to actually be able to pop them with a backhoe. Obviously this isn't an excavator, but it's nice to have a piece of equipment that will actually do some work and is reliable. Well, I got one big root to cut back here somewhere I know that I've been keep running into. I just haven't had the right angle, so I'll do that, and then hopefully this thing will topple over before too long. Case 580K, hard at work. So you saw me get a little excited there. I saw it moving up top a little bit and wanted to go ahead and push it over. Should have just kept digging, it wasn't quite ready. It's over. It's on top of the sycamore tree, it needs cleaned up, so that's not a bad spot for it, but I got a pretty good sized root ball to clean up here. Check this out. That is not small, but I'll use the backhoe and knock the dirt off of it and make it a little bit more manageable. That's a little better. I'm gonna grab the chainsaw, at least cut the stump off. I don't know if I'll mess with the top at all. That bee nest is still up there in that sycamore we need to take care of at some point. Man, somebody made a mess out here. Yeah guys, you saw that correctly. You just saw a 32-inch bar disappear into that thing. It's a big tree. I'm curious if it's hollow where I cut it or not. I mean, it sure felt like it, but I wonder how far if it runs. Don't know that I'm gonna do a whole lot more cutting yet today though, because that involves me getting off the equipment, and I feel like this is an equipment kind of day, like sitting down. I'm curious if the 4052R and the grapple can pick that thing up or not. Given that it's hollow, I'm guessing it probably can. It's just massive. I don't have a flashlight on me, but it's pretty well hollow all the way up through there. I'm waiting for like a tiger to come jumping out of there. But I'm gonna clean up with the grapple a little bit. I probably won't video that because, well, my camera's dying. I need to put it on the charger. And I still might dig out another tree this afternoon. So this video being about the 580 and digging out trees, I figured that's what I should probably show you guys. So, well, the wind has picked up considerably, so I don't think that digging another tree is in the cards today, given that the tree's leaning the opposite way of where I want it to go. So what I will do though is work on turning that car-sized stump over. I couldn't quite do it with the hoe, so hopefully the loader can do it. I only got 2-wheel drive though, guys, so we'll see. I wish it was 4. And then fill in this crater. That thing's seriously 5.5 to 6 feet deep. I mean, I guess the sidewalls are mounted up with dirt, but here we go. That's quite a bit better. Still massive, but I'm just gonna clean it up here with the hoe and try to push some stuff in there and be done with it for the day. Well, maybe the loader first and then the hoe, we'll see. But don't you guys worry, the old Gannon will be around to clean this up at the end of the day. For reference, I'm 6 feet tall. It's a pretty good sized hole. Alright guys, I think that's it for the 580 today. Gonna get the tractor out to clean this up. Hope you enjoyed seeing the old backhoe do some work today. If you would, hit that subscribe button and come back and see us. It's spring, so we're in full swing around here. Enjoy the Gannon cleaning this up. Take care guys.